Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to understand how to use the United Nations Comtrade database for research purposes. Specifically, I will show you how to download trade data related to machine learning development and what options you need to select in each section of the database. This section is especially helpful for PhD students in engineering, economics, data science, and technology management who are working on international trade, technology diffusion, or AI related research. So let's begin step by step. We just need to write UN Comtrade database and click there. Now we have a database availability. We have this one website and we just need to go data availability. Now we have this one area. After this one area, we need to go data and trade. And we have this one window. First, we need to know what is the UN Comtrade. The UN Comtrade database is one of the world's largest repository of international trade scientists. It provides important export data, country level trade information, product classification codes, annual and monthly trade flows, trade values, and quantities. Researchers use this database to analyze global trade patterns, technology exports, industrial development, and innovation. Why it for machine learning? The question arises, why it for trade database of UN Comtrade database is for machine learning. If you are studying machine learning development, AI technologies, or high technical industrial exports, you need to trade data for computers and electronic products, semiconductor devices, AI related hardware, data processing machines, and advanced technological equipment. UN Comtrade allow you to extract this database using internationally standardized product codes. We need to go there, write something like machine. We have this data, but this data is with codes 401161 blah blah blah. We also can write here something else means IMP. There are frozen, customer, cooked, fresh or child. There are too many database available here, but we just need to know about machine learning data. So this is about the machine learning. Rubber, new factory vehicles and machines, blah blah blah. All are related to machine, but the data has with codes. Every variable import and export have different codes. Now let's talk about how to actually download the data. When you open the UN Comtrade database, you will see several headings or filters, like these are some headings and filters. Here's what you need to select. First one is machine. We just will select this. Reporters. We need to select two importers because right now two highly developed industries in the market. First one is Germany and second one is Japan. We need to select both exporters. Now, trade flows. If you are studying imports, if you are studying technology adoption, you need to select only imports. But if you are studying technological competitiveness, so you need to select exports. For machine learning development, research many choose export to machine technological capabilities. So we need to remove the import and we just have the data of exports. Now need to select the period 2023. Also the partners. Which one partners you need? Just like China selected. And after that, we just need to go downstairs and click on preview. After that, after clicking on preview, we have this one window. So in here, we have the data of Germany and Japan, both of China. This is the world. Means you saw we have three importers. Germany, and Japan. Also we have partners, three partners, world, China, world. Now the question arises which one value we need to select. So the value we need to select trade value with US dollars. This one data we didn't download from there because we are using the free website. If you paid this one website, then you will download this data. But if you didn't pay that one website, you just need to copy the values and paste in Excel sheet. Like I freely give you an example, roughly example, just like that. Reporters, partners. After clicking again, we just have the data of Germany. So we just need to write here country, Germany, year 2023, value, trade value US dollar, in dollar. So the value is this. Just need to paste here. So every time you need to go there and just need to change the year. Just for example, we have the data of 2023. Now we need the data of 2022. I am doing this just for example. 2022. So there is no data of 2020. Sorry. There is the data of 2022. Need to wait. Now we have the value of 2022. We also need to copy year and the value in US dollars. Just paste here. That's it. Also, one important thing is the classification. You must need to choose the classification of HS, Harmonized System, or SITC, Standard International Trade Classification. It depends on your data. Most engineering and technology studies use the HS classification. So, we are doing our work with HS classification because it gives detailed product codes. And the product code, this one code, commodity codes, are very important to measure machine learning development. You must select product codes related to automated data processing machine, electronic integration, and advanced computing equipment. Each of the product has the specific HS code. This is the HS classification, and here is the code of every classification. This and this one is most critical step in your data collection process. So today we learned what UN Comtrade database is, how to select each heading correctly, how to choose product codes, and how to download machine learning related trade data. and why this is useful for PhD research. If you are working on technology, AI or industrial development research, this database is powerful tool for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.